Hi, everybody. Chris here from Chris Codes with Bolt. Wanted to provide everyone with an update. This is day 6 of my build-in public project for my platform, lifelegacy.me. Before I get right to the update on the project, I wanted to encourage everyone to watch the StackBlitz office hours on Wednesday if they can. It's a very, very valuable hour and 15 minutes. And the team there, Eric and the rest of the team, are doing a great job of adding features and fixing issues and most importantly, listening to feedback from bolt builders like you and like me. I really appreciate, and I'm sure you do too, that Eric and the rest of the team is listening to the builders and is really making decisions about how to build this platform out, how to improve Bolt based on user experience and user needs. It's great. And I want to commend them for that. I want to encourage all of you, if you don't already, watch the StackBlitz office hours. I'll include a link to the January 15th episode down below so you can see what I'm talking about. My progress in the last day, as you remember from my last episode, I was getting this dashboard together. I was creating these pages. And so what I've been doing today is adding some functionality to the pages, particularly adding modals, forms that I can use so that the user can add information. You see, it's pretty straightforward. Digital devices, different kinds of things. These, and some of them are multi-step forms. Some of them are just single page forms. But this is what I've been building. I still have a little work to do with this. As you can see, I can upload features. I'm not going through all of them. I've been working on this one where, if you're for funeral planning, remember this is all from the point of view of a user who wants to leave their own planning instructions. So that's what is going on here. So memorials, all this stuff. I'm almost done creating these. These are not finished in the sense that they're ready for production. I'm going to go through all of these, create them, and then go back and refine each one of them. So I get them to collect exactly the information I want. So when it's time to connect to Supabase, I'm hoping and I'm predicting that the integration will go much smoother. So that's where I am. I'm going to finish working on these. I've got a couple more of these to do. And then I have some other pages to create for the site. I have an admin page I need to build out. I have two, what do you call it? Two different kinds of port for my authorized contact pages that I have to fill out, create. And so I'll be working on those as well. So that's it. I wanted to maybe leave you with some advice. In my experience now, this is probably the fourth big project I've been working on inside of Bolt. I've refined my process in such a way that, and in every way I can, I try to make my prompts small and simple. So I build in small steps. I try to use as clear and concise language as I can when building the prompts. And I do use the enhance button down here. However, I always make a copy of the original prompt before I enhance it, because sometimes, maybe 10% of the time, the enhanced prompt is not exactly what I'm looking for. And so I always read through it first. So please try that yourselves if you haven't already. Build in small steps use in clear language, and take advantage of the enhance prompt feature. It 90% of the time, 95% of the time, it works great. So that's where we are for today. And I thank you for joining me. I will post another video tomorrow and give you an update then. I hope your building is going well. Happy building.